Well, we are going to be using this lovely 1999 Hoover wind tunnel, self-propelled model U6425-900. Hopefully I said that right, but anyway, let's get started. If I could guess the condition it's in, I mean, yeah, there's some scratches on, freaking, I don't know what you call these, spare or extended hoses, or I don't know what you call it, but this thing has two of them. You can see. And obviously has the hose, and you can just put this on like that, and then just, you know, just get anywhere at long areas. So fun fact, this is my second oldest wind tunnel. As I've said, and you guys saw it in the picture, this is from February 99. And yeah, one more thing. Actually, two more things. So you see right there is the bag check thing, indicator, and it's right there. That's a brand new bag in it. It's barely been used. And then you can also see, come on, has the brush tool, has the crevice tool, and last but not least, the upholstery tool. So I would say this machine is complete. The self-propel does work, but I'm not going to be using it most of the time unless I feel like it, but not even putting any effort putting this down. Anyway, let's go. It's me, Mario. That noise when you're in a upright position. I don't know why, but when it's in its upright position and it's like sitting like it is now, it just makes that weird grinding noise you just heard. But it doesn't do that when you lift it up and then put it down like it is now. Don't ask me why. I don't know myself why it's making that noise. I don't know if all the wind tunnels do that, the self-propelled ones, like this specific model. Sorry. I don't know if they all do that, but I want to do that one shot like I do to most of my vacuums where I take the camera and then I just like show it running in its upright position for a second, but I can't do that for this one. Anyway, let's continue. How about we use some self-propelled? Let's try that. Let's use the self-propelled transmission in it. I mean, what's the point of having a self-propelled vacuum anyway if you're not going to use it? You know what I mean? Let's use the self-propelled on this thing. So I was trying to turn off the brush roll, but it kind of looked like the brush roll was still spinning, so I don't know if that's broken or if it just slowed it down a little and it's supposed to do that. But you could still hear that rattling noise. My other wind tunnel, the exact same one, but it's from 2000, it kind of does the same thing, but not as much as this one does. I don't know if it's because this one's an older unit just by a year, or it's just because they all do that and it depends on the condition it's in, or I don't know, you guys tell me, but I don't know what to say about this machine. It's in good condition, you can see, if not great condition. You guys can tell me whether you think it's in great condition or good condition or whatever. But, man, I can't really use frickin' the hose because of that rattling noise. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this short kinda video, although it's 9 minutes, which I would call it an average video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.